I'm sure that if you watch this video until the end, you too can easily make this delicious roll at home for the first time. Believe me, my wife couldn't believe that I made this roll. Well, to start, I mix 110 grams of egg yolks plus 12 grams of honey. I mix these two ingredients together until it turns white and takes on a creamy texture. Now it's time to whisk the egg whites. This recipe calls for 150 grams of egg whites. I also beat the egg whites until they are foamy. Now it's time to add sugar to the egg whites, which I add in 3 stages. I have 60 grams of sugar, which I shouldn't add to the egg whites all at once. Adding sugar all at once to the eggs is a mistake because it will eliminate the air bubbles. Now I separate a quarter of the beaten egg whites and add them to the bowl of egg yolks and fold them in using the waffle method. I add 50 grams of all-purpose flour or cake flour to this mixture. For this purpose, I use the seething method in several stages. I add the final product to the beaten egg whites and gently fold in until the ingredients are evenly combined. In the middle of mixing, I add 30 grams of milk and 12 grams of melted butter to our ingredients and continue mixing. After the ingredients are combined and a uniform liquid is obtained, I pour it into a baking tray that I've covered with non-stick paper. Now, using a suitable tool, spread all the ingredients evenly on the baking tray. The baking time is between 16 and 18 minutes at a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius. After baking the cake, before it cools completely, remove it from the baking paper and place it on another piece of paper to roll. After the roll cake is completely cooled, spread the cream on it using a suitable tool. After spreading the cream completely over the cake, I roll it up with a piece of paper and tie both ends to prevent it from drying out, and let it rest in the refrigerator for an hour. Thank you for being with me until this point in the video. I ask you to support me by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. Thank you. Now our delicious rolls are ready. Just cut them into desired sizes and enjoy them.